So, hi there. My name is Paul Hodder-Cohen, and you're in the Vogel workshop, and I want to show you how a Curie folds. So, Curie is a pretty straightforward folding frame, and it's got a few different folding features. So first let me show you how the different features work, and then we'll look at folding the entire bike. First off, we've got these pedals, and they fold up and down this way quite easily, quite quickly. Secondly, just like most bikes, we have a seat post that goes up and down. So that's pretty straightforward too. In the front, we've got something you usually don't see on a regular bike, and that is we have an adjustable position for this. So, and on the back of it there's a number, so if you remember your own number, then you'll always be putting it in the same position. The handlebars can be further compacted by rotating them like this. So in a nice riding position, I like them like this. This is sort of the rideable configuration. When going somewhere and deciding that you want to get on a train or pack it away or put it in a closet, the process is pretty simple. The first thing I usually do is I put the seat post down. Boom. Whoops. The next thing is we want to fold the pedals. The third thing is probably putting this thing down, because that makes it quite readily foldable. Then to fold the stem, you need to pull this knob up and pull the stem out, pull the lever out. So in doing so, it breaks this, or disengages the lock, and this is back up again. So boom, boom. And here we've got a safety catch here, which is locked now, open now, and here we've got a folded bike. Now, want to go riding? Unfolding the bike, it's pretty simple. Take it and extend it. Lock the catch. Extend this. Whoops. Lock the handlebar where you want it. Put the seat post where you want it. Fold out the pedals. Oops. Lift the bar and go for a ride. Hope that explains how the folding Curie folds and how it unfolds and how easy it is to get it ready for a ride. Have a good day.